Right, hello and welcome back to another episode of Project Bumble. So as you can see, we're back in the garage. It's been super hot the last few weeks. If you don't know much about people that live in the UK, we like to moan about the weather, and most of the time it's too cold, it's too wet, but the last few weeks it's been hot. Maybe even too hot. So yeah, I haven't spent much time in the garage because, well, even now I'm just sweating. Yeah, we do actually have a bit of rain at the minute, so it's business as usual. It's still super hot in here, but we're gonna get some more welding done. I've got a couple more patches to do in the wheel arch on the driver's side, and then we can move on to that subframe mounting panel. So I'll show you what we're working with and we'll get to it. Right, so this is the wheel arch where we were working in last time. Got a little patch repair there. I've got a hole just here that needs a bit cutting out there, a little bit of here that needs repairing, and also the panel that goes in under there. I bought this panel thinking it was the same, but it's not. It doesn't seem to be the right shape. So I'm not too sure what to do with that. Whether I just buy a pair of new panels or try and make this work. But looking in from the inside the car, you can see we've got a rectangular hole, and then the repair panel is a different shape. Oh, and while we're having a look in the car, a little mascot. Love these little Matchbox cars. I've got another one there. That's like more orange. Cool. Got a nice big hole, and we've now got cardboard, and we're going to cut out and make a little patch to go in there. Hopefully you can see this, but I ended up cutting out a bit more. The panel that's going in here, I've decided I'm gonna get the right one that fits rather than messing around. And in here I'm gonna put a little patch here, which is to make up the actual arch part, and then a panel that's gonna weld on to there-ish, something like that, and then a bit to go around down here. So there's a bit of a patchwork, but yeah, I don't think I should weld all that in before I get this panel in, because I think that would make my life harder. So I just need to order that and then come back to it later. What are you doing again then?
Engine out 2 days before bug jam. Yeah, clutch.
Good job it's easy on this. Ish. Easier. Yeah, so that's my mate Chris. He's having a bit of problems, so I said come round and we'll whip the engine out. Well, I'll let him do it and I'll work on the Mini. One engine out.
A few moments later.
Oh, quick. So we've got a little bit of work done there. That bit of panel work. Just got to work on this bit. Get this moulded. Get this one in. I've ordered the new panel to go here. The one that I had was actually a different panel. It goes the other side of this wheel arch. So if anyone wants a pair of those, let me know. So it's got a bit dark, but Chris has got everything back together now, so that's a good day. Nice evening, work's done. What idiots would have classic cars, eh? So yeah, that was Chris and his bus, and another bit of work done on the Mini. So I've ordered those panels. Once they come in, we'll be back in it and doing a bit more welding. So catch you next time. Cheers for watching. Thanks guys, bye.